This is my Cinni 12-inch, or for your metric-minded people, 30-centimeter oscillating fan. And today we're going to do some performance testing with it. So we got our anemometer fired up here, and we're going to go and turn on the fan. And we'll start off on low. So give us a second here and we'll switch it on. And we're going to let it get up to speed here before we get our reading. Just going to make sure that the speed stabilizes out here. And we'll get our reading. And on low speed we get 590.6 feet per minute. So we'll bring the fan up to medium speed now. And again, we'll let the speed stabilize out. Make sure that the fan is truly up to speed. And we'll go ahead and get a reading here at this setting. And on medium, it's delivering 649.6 feet per minute. And we'll bring it up to high. We'll let it get stabilized up. And on high speed, let's get that result. Delivers 807.1 feet per minute. So, Cinni's moderately powerful. We'll go ahead and turn off our anemometer. We got our results now. I'd like to thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button below and hit that subscribe button, because we will have more to come. Later.